Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something special in store for all you photography and videography enthusiasts out there. The K&F Concept 64-inch Camera Tripod. This tripod is a game changer, and I'm going to tell you why it's the best lightweight tripod available right now. But before we dive in, let's take a closer look at what it has to offer. First off, it's designed by K&F Concept, a brand known for its quality camera accessories. This tripod stands at an impressive 64 inches when fully extended, but the magic lies in its portability. It can be folded down to just 15.3 inches, making it incredibly easy to carry in the included carrying bag. And here's the kicker. The whole package, including the ball head, weighs just 2.53 pounds. That's super lightweight, folks, making it perfect for travel and outdoor shooting. Now, let's talk about its versatility. The tripod comes with a 360-degree metal ball head, a 28mm beauty that can be rotated to any angle you desire. This feature enhances your camera's maneuverability during panning shots, allowing you to capture the breathtaking beauty of landscapes effortlessly. But wait, there's more. The tripod boasts powerful and quick flip leg locks, which means you can open and close all the buttons with just one hand in a matter of seconds. It's all about efficiency, giving you more time to focus on getting that perfect shot. And here's something unique. The tripod allows for center column inverted installation. You can even attach a short center column for achieving the lowest angling shots. Whether you're into archery or specialized photography, this tripod has got you covered. When it comes to compatibility, this camera tripod features a standard 1/4 inch thread, which works seamlessly with most AKA Swiss quick-release plates. The 1/4 inch screw is suitable for a wide range of cameras, including DSLRs, projectors, and even telescopes. Great overall tripod for daily use, and Sidon Bowen mentions, very good product for YouTubers. With positive reviews like these, you know you're in good hands. In summary, the K&F Concept 64-inch camera tripod is a lightweight, portable, and highly versatile tool that can take your photography and videography to the next level. It's the best lightweight tripod available right now, and it's currently on a Black Friday deal at just $39.99, down from the typical price of $49.99. So, if you're looking for a reliable tripod that won't break the bank, I highly recommend checking out the K&F Concept Camera Tripod. The link is in the description below. Don't miss out on this fantastic deal. And as always, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and happy shooting!